Right up there. 2 in a row. Really? Well, it's probably not a good idea to last second exit. Masshole.
Go. And my buddy's like, I don't know. You look back those old time pictures, there's a bunch of people in the streets. And it's just like, yeah, but there weren't this many. You know, and also 10 years ago,
why are you slowing
there
down?
weren't that many. And he goes, no, there weren't. It's like, well, I don't know. 20 years ago, there wasn't. And he argues with me that there were. And I was like, dude, 20 years ago when I first came in, 25 years ago, it was still sort of taxi driver.
What? Douchebag. And that Subaru driver, too.
So, what's Trump doing here? He's being a bitch to the deep state.
Right up there, that guard. Cut off that guy.
Lose 60 to 70% of their value in the first 4 years.
What the fuck is that?
When you buy a new car, it's
color in between the lines.
To 180 electoral votes, and we have the Democrats at 109. So now we're going to go up into the northeast.
What? Why would you do that?
We're going to be filling out the state here. Blue statement that the restrictions are a result of Cuba, quote,
why
continuing to play a destabilizing role in the Western.
You wait until my light turns green to go in front of me. Come on. Yeah, pull out right in front of me. Thanks a lot.
Maybe, and when that didn't work, we're like, hey, join us to protest the bill. You know what? They have not done anything for us. They have not dealt with it. The pay.
What are you
Dara
doing?
Karashahi, you said you have been listening to
What are you doing?
Clearly you are not, because you will know there is one thing that the drivers value.
You gotta be kidding me. Go ahead, get on camera. Really, transportation that's carrying school children?
This is what you would sound like if you were born in 1907.
Nope.
Stop
Can't
acting
do
like
that.
you would be woke signaling
Right.
in the roaring 20s.
If you were woke in the roaring 20s, wrong slavery is all of these things. But,
Out of blinker fluid, then use the synthetic kind. Wow. I'm gonna consider that last second. Exit for the center lane.
Their culture has not changed. Their culture was built on breaking the rules, breaking the law, getting whatever sad SOB who needed a job, and that includes me, by the way. So, pulled off
Because Honda.
who was
Whoa. Yikes. Fix it again, Tony.
which will take decades, and screwing drivers over in the meantime. It could be a problem.
Another one.
Just focus on the core business.
Nissan drivers.
So, here's the thing. This is all and goes to great lengths to find new ways to they already do.
What the hell's that Prius
The
doing?
reason why I left Uber is they think you're expendable. They actively seek new ways to lower fares.
There he goes. There she goes again.
That I can totally believe, by the way. We are still talking about how they are stealing more and more of your...
A few moments later.
It's definitely something that a company like Uber with
Of course.
people should be
We
able
have
to
to
solve.
do that again,
To
and of
give
course
them
the Infinity
some
has to do
credit,
that
they
too.
have to remember that Uber is a global company. They have to...
Last second exit way up there.
According to the BBC. Now this is a little disturbing, so just bear with me. Back in 2017, a writer for Vice made
that white van.
headlines by
Holy
launching
crap!
essentially a fake restaurant out of a shed in London, and on their way to pick up or drop off. I did a lot of analysis and research at Uber, and on average, drivers
school bus, last second exit,
and were more satisfied half the.
What's that Subaru doing? That lane ends. Just to get around one car.
They want to share with us, and we're going to discuss those things right now. However, before we talk about any of that, let's have a word from our sponsor.
No.
Thanks, Kevin. Hi, I'm
That's not how it
Jonathan
works.
with gigworker.com, and we've been commissioned to conduct a...
No turn on red. 2 big signs that say that. You could have waited like 2 seconds for the light to turn green. Do not enter. Need hit. There's one, but not one, but 2 times. Come on. What the hell's that guy doing? And that was all in front of a cop too. Yeah, I can't fit. Whoa, what? Right in front of him. BMW ran red light. Really? What made you think you could have came over here?
Of course, because no one else would hire them, they were willing to work for those that are truly slave wages. So let's look at this TMZ article.
I have questions for Miss Murray.
Oh, last second exit.
McLean, I mean, you should never, ever, ever lay a hand on a child.
Red light runner.
It's true. Don't touch that child. You will
rap, I think. I mean, singing songs about yourself. That's awesome.
Don't you hear the song? All right, you can go now. Wow. How many vehicles can you crush into one small spot?
Not address these issues earlier when he was mayor. And if you're thinking why?
Well, red light runner from the left turn lane.
No, not necessarily. Well, I mean, the result.
Warren proposed. She proposed forgiving about $640 billion in student loan debt, whereas
Mustang
Bernie wants
in
to
the
wipe it
wrong
clean,
lane.
right? And when
Mustang in the
well,
wrong
how are you
lane.
going to pay for it? Of course,
The
that question
Mustang
I've been hearing
is in the wrong lane
He does
to
outline how
turn
he's
left.
paying for it. But
Wow, that's really bad red light run. What? Whoa. Well, that's what you get for being a douchebag.
Shirley Carpenter Trail. It was once
It's double line up there.
trying to get attention of the health coordinator. She spent 20 months advocating for an
What the hell? BMW douchebag cut off the Nissan driver.
Would make the game seem more popular if they started with ticket 100,001. So,
Specialty Transportation Inc. probably ran that stop sign blatantly. They carry school children. Hello. Red. And that guy ran. Get out of the way. No way. Boys are ready to do that mass hole left. Oh, yep, there he goes. Nope. That's kind of last second. Can you get out of my way?
How low are they targeting rates to be dropped to? Is the strategy, as most have speculated, that they plan to drop rates until people start to opt out in masses and then raise it back slightly to find the bottom? Do you really think that they're 5 years back?
I know where I stand. Don't just oh, that guy with the TV in his car, or whatever that is. Took him long enough to go. Oh, you just said, did he just sit there? What? Go! Come on! There you go! Wow! Oh, that... Pay attention, buddy! And it's red. Oh, mess. Wow. Mustang mess hole left. What the fuck? Do something! Alright, you did something. What? This is why I hate people sometimes. Over the line! Whoa, whoa! What's up with people lately driving on the wrong side of the road? Why would you do that? Did not even attempt to stop, and I believe that's a state vehicle. Go! Go! Go!
Offensively, the best season he's ever had. Defensively,
he actually
That red
regressed
car
a
just...
little bit.
Whoa!
He wasn't quite the defensive force that he'd been in previous seasons.
You know what's coming. No trucks in the left lane. No, no, no. It can't be there today. There's no trucks allowed in the left lane. Get your ass over. Thank you. Well, this is the end of the video. Hit that like and subscribe button. I hope you enjoyed it today. Thanks for watching.